Yes, so wow. Today I'm going to cook water leaf soup. That's the icon. Yes, Igbo call it follow water leaf, ofe water leaf. Yes, the icon. As you can see, this is vegetable. I've already plucked the water leaf yesterday. So to tell you that we didn't start today planning for this soup. Edikaikon soup is not something that you just get up from bed. Say no, I want to cook edikaikon soup. No, you must plan for it. Yes, you must have a plan for edikaikon soup. It's not anyhow soup. Yes. So before you cook edikaikon, you must have a plan for it. So I started some days ago and plan for it. Yesterday I plucked water leaf. Now I have plucked my vegetable. So let's move to the kitchen.